Let's prune a mature fruit tree. This apple tree is about 7 to 8 years old. It has been shaped to have an open center as opposed to a central leader. And it has very nice strong branches, or called scaffold. And if we look closely at this tree, you can see the fruiting branches that are 1 year old that grew last year, connected to 2-year-old branches, and then moving down the trunk to older branches. Because the tree has been pruned annually, we have a young supply of fruiting branches, even though the tree is much older. Today, we're going to do a number of things. The first thing is this tree is getting too tall for the homeowner. So we are going to remove many of the branches to shorten this tree. In addition, I'm going to open up the center to air and light. I'm going to remove the branches that are going straight up or down because they're not productive. And here's a good example of a branch that's going straight up, right here. And in addition, we have a lot of fruit spurs which need to be shortened and thinned out. And finally, we are going to shorten many of the young shoots, such as these, in order to have a good supply of new fruiting spurs. If you're new to pruning, consider using the blue masking tapes to mark up the areas for cuts. I find this very helpful. In addition, many of the books say prune up to 1/3 of the tree. Removing too much can weaken the tree. On the other hand, some university publications also say it is not uncommon to remove up to half of last year's new growth. So keep these numbers in mind as you prune your tree. A couple of master gardeners are going to help me with this so we can speed up the pruning. We're done. Can you see the difference? I think it looks beautiful. That's it for this video. Learn more about pruning and get more gardening tips to master your gardening at cmastergardeners.org.